Hey there. Can't find your SoFi debit card or want to prevent new purchases while you look? Freezing your card in the app gives you instant control and peace of mind. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to freeze it. Open the SoFi app and go to your SoFi Money account. Tap on your debit card details. You'll see an option to lock card or freeze card. Tap it. Immediately, the card will be declined for new purchases, ATM withdrawals, and online transactions. Recurring bills already set up may still go through. When you find the card, simply toggle the lock off. My crucial pro tip? Use this feature proactively for security. When you're not using your debit card, like during a stretch at home or while traveling, keep it locked in the app. Unlock it only when you need to use an ATM or make a purchase. It's a simple, powerful habit that blocks fraud. That's proactive security that puts you in complete control. Have you ever had to freeze a card? What was the situation? Share your story below. For more quick security tips, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.